How to find or restore deleted voice memos in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on voice memos. Now here click on this icon. So click on all recordings. All recordings is here. So if you want to see restore deleted voice memos, so click on this back icon. Now here click on recently deleted. So you will see your recently deleted option is here. So if you want to restore, so click and you will see click on this restore and click on restore recording. Your recording is restored. So after the procedure, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can find a restore deleted voice memos in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.